All right, I'm gonna do some easy steak, guys. I already got a little oil in the pan, and I'm just doing a little bit, putting a little bit of steak seasoning on there. If it can come out, I haven't used it in a while, but it's still good.
Remember to put oil in the pan.
Yep, and put some oil in the pan and season it up to your liking. I'm doing steak seasoning. I'm also doing some onion powder on both sides. May need to put some more on this side. I don't know, y'all. I'm having a hard time getting the seasoning out of this one. Let's see here. Okay. Hands are nice and clean. And just some other seasonings I had in the cabinet. Some Kinder's, jalapeno, and garlic. And a little bit of garlic powder. And I also have a little bit of Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning. Alright guys, so all I'm going to do is take that, put it in here, like that. Y'all hear that?
That's sizzling.
It's sizzling.
Yeah, sizzling.
We're going to do 4 at a time. Where's that board that I went from? Alright guys, I'm just letting it cook in the pot, in the pan. And we are going to let it go for about, I'd say about 6 minutes on each side. I'm just flipping them because they really don't take long to cook. Look at all that good seasoning. Add a little bit more seasoning to it. So we're adding some vegetables to the pan. And I'm gonna let these saute for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. And we will return. I'm going to season them with some of the same seasonings. Just a little Tony's Creole seasoning. Some of that Kinder's red jalapeno garlic. Mrs. Dash chicken. And some of that good old garlic powder. And you know what, guys? Just for some extra seasoning, I'm gonna get some of that real garlic. The steak basically cooked for about a few minutes. It didn't take long. Basically, because they were so thin, like maybe 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I'm about done with this. You just kind of move everything around in the pan. Get all those good seasonings coated. A little bit more seasoning, because why not? And guys, we're just gonna let that cook down, simmer down, occasionally moving them around. Oops, didn't mean to do that. For about 10 minutes or so. Uncovered. And I just put a little oil, some extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit more, just so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Alright guys, we're gonna let that cook, and then it's about 10 minutes, 10, 15 at the most. And then we're gonna come back and plate it up, and I'm gonna show you that final result. Alright, and here it is, guys. Steak and veggies. Sauteed. And some good old steak. You guys don't have to get that Ragu expensive steak. I mean, you can, but you can also just get an affordable steak. The steak was just $9. Season it up to your liking. And that's it, guys. The finished product.